Hello, last class ami local maximum minimum find out korisilo by using second derivative test. Aji aro eta question sailo. Question number 3, number 8, fx equal to x root over 1 minus x. So first what we will find? F dash x. To find the critical points we need to find f dash x. Tomorrow hobo d by dx x root over 1 minus x. So tomorrow first function dx by dx root over 1 minus x plus x d by dx root over 1 minus x. So dx 1 over root over 1 minus x plus x chain rule apply hobo tomar power half ase 1 minus x half minus 1 tomar d by dx 1 minus x. So next tomar root over 1 minus x by 2 1 minus x half of minus 1 minus half and d of 1 is your 0 minus 1. So next tomorrow root over 1 minus x plus minus 1 as a minus plus you will have minus x by 2. This is your what minus half denominator hole tomorrow minus half positive ho jabo. So next tomorrow hobo root over 1 minus x by 2 root over 1 minus x. So etia LCM lo diba 2 root over 1 minus x 2 root over 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x tomorrow hobo 1 minus x whole square root over 1 minus x whole square. So root cancel hobo minus x equal to 2 minus 2x minus x divided by 2 root over 1 minus x. Next tomorrow 2 minus 3x root over 2 eta thaki goise 1 minus x. This is your f dash x. ঠিক আছে তে আমি f double dash x find out কৰিলো. Also f double dash x তোমাৰ কিমান হ'ব d by dx of f dash x. This is your f double dash x. Next d by dx of 2 minus 3x divided by 2 root over 1 minus x. So this 2 is your constant 1 by 2 bahiyat likha. Next tomar second function root over 1 minus x whole square. First function 2 minus 3x d by dx of 2 minus 3x into root over 1 minus x minus tomar hoboge 2 minus 3x d by dx of tomar root over 1 minus x. ঠিক আছে এটা তোমার হাফ d2 2 constant term অকলে আছে d2 by dx তোমার 0 হবে minus 3 বাহিৰলৈ আহিব dx by dx 1 clear root over 1 minus x minus 2 minus 3x d constant term 2 constant term hene 0 hol minus 3 is a constant 3 into dx by dx 1 minus 2 3. So d by dx root over 1 minus x yet find out korisilo ami this d by dx root over 1 minus x ki paisiloge x by 2 root over 1 minus x so directly likhi disu d by dx root over 1 minus x ki paisiloge this. So upawai likhi disu tumalukor x by 2 root over 1 minus x our denominator tumalukor ki asle 1 root over 1 minus x whole square. So we'll have 1 minus x. So tomar 2 1 minus x 0 minus 3 minus 3 root over 1 minus x minus 2 এটা তোমাৰ ইনটু হ'ব নেকি ইয়াত তোমালোকৰ মাইনাছ এটা হ'ব লাগিছিলে ন x d by dx root over 1 minus x তোমাৰ কি হয়গে minus x by 2 minus x by 2 root over 1 minus x তুমি কৈ চাব পাৰা চেইন ৰুল এপ্লাই কৰি মই ডাইৰেক্ট পুট কৰি দিছোঁ এই ৰিজাল্টটো মাইনাছ এটা হ'ব ইয়াত তোমালোকৰ মাইনাছ so this minus minus will get plus তোমাৰ হ'বগে 2 minus 3x x 2 root over 1 minus x এতিয়া LCM লবা ইয়াৰ পাছৰ ষ্টেপটো ইয়াতে কৰি দিছোঁ 1 minus 2 1 divided by 2 into 1 minus x LCM লবা 2 root over 1 minus x তোমাৰ ওপৰত হ'বগে minus 6 root over 1 minus x plus x 2 minus 3x ঠিক আছে these two will get multiplied product 1 by 4 and then 1 minus x and then 1 minus x half root over 1 minus x means half baki khini tumar this will get then this will get square 2 3 6 root over 1 minus x into root over 1 minus x root over 1 so minus 6 root over 2 cancel 6 plus 2x oh sorry ইয়াত তোমাৰ x নাই দেই d by dx root over 1 minus x তোমাৰ কি হয় only 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x so here we do not have x here only 1 this is 1 so তোমাৰ এটো 1 হ'ব তুমি কৈ দেখাইছো তোমাৰ কেনেকৈ হয় check it here d by dx root over 1 minus x so ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো কি হ'ব মই ডাইৰেক্ট ইয়াত পুট কৰিছো ইয়াত so তোমাৰ d by dx root over 1 minus x means 1 minus x half chain rule apply কৰিবা half 1 minus x half of minus 1 then d by dx of 1 minus x ঠিক আছে so তোমাৰ half 1 minus x minus half আৰু তোমাৰ d1 মানে তোমাৰ 0 dx by dx মানে minus 1 0 minus 1 so তোমাৰ কি হ'বগে minus 1 by 2 minus half আছে minus half তোমাৰ denominator হলে plus হ'ব root over plus half that means root over 1 minus x so your value is what minus 1 this is your 1 minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x minus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x so বাকি খিনি আমি LCM ললো LCM তেনেকে ললো তাৰপিছত কি পালোগে LCM ললো 2 root over 1 minus x LCM ললো তোমাৰ 6 হ'ল আৰু root over 1 minus x whole square হ'ল 1 into 2 minus 3x আছে so 1 into 2 minus 3x তোমাৰ হ'বগে 2 product কৰিবা 2 minus 3x so next 1 by 4 power yet 1 আছে yet 2 আছে 1 minus x 1 plus 2 মানে তোমাৰ 3 by 2 হ'ব power minus 6 plus 6 x plus 2 minus 3x 1 by 4 root over 1 minus x 3 by 2 tomorrow minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3x clear so this can also you can write as what 3x minus 4 whole thing divided by 4 1 minus x 3 by 2. Yes, this is your what? That is f double dash x equal to 3x minus 4 whole thing divided by 4 1 minus x 3 by 2. Now to find the critical points, what we need to take? F dash x equal to 0. Now take f dash x equal to 0. F dash x of value keep us this 2 minus 3x divided by 2 root over 1 minus x equal to 0. To find the critical points, this is your method or procedure. Right hand side lova 2 minus 3x equal to 0. So 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3 is the critical point. What is the critical point? Now at this point we will check f double dash x. So tomorrow equation to dikhe ke ko kaam nasle tomorrow f dash x or f double dash x derivative find out konote akon complication asle baki to critical point etai pala average check koribo lage iman tough na just tomorrow f dash x f double dash x or f dash x find out konote very carefully koriba ako koisu f dash x find out konote bhalke koriba aru f double dash x differentiation konote very carefully habodane koriba plus minus or bhul nokoriba formula chain rule bhalke apply koriba tetia tomar dunia ke f double dash x find out hobo carefully koriba. Therefore now at x equal to 2 by 3 f double dash ki lage amar 2 by 3 at put koriba 3 into x at 2 by 3 put korisu by 4 into 1 minus 2 by 3 by 2 cancel jabo 2 minus 4 minus 2 cancel about 2 minus 4 minus 2 4 3 minus 2 LCM is divided by 3 2 or 4 cancel jabo minus 1 by 2 1 by 3. So what quantity it is? This is our negative quantity. So this is our negative quantity. Minus is less than 0. So tomorrow ki hobo? Therefore negative hole tomorrow ki hobo? Point of local maxima x equal to 2 by 3 is a point of local maxima and local maximum value is f of 2 by 3. f ki asle tomar f asile fx equal to x root over 1 minus x put koi dia 2 by 3 substitute koi dia 2 by 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3 2 by 3 3 minus 2 3 2 by 3 root over 1 by 3 2 root over 1 mane 1 3 root 3. This is the maximum value. Clear? So question number 4 so tomar ki koise prove that the following function do not have either maxima or minima. Question number 1 tomar dia ase ki fx equal to e to the power x. ঠিক আছে ইয়াত চাও তোমার f dash x find out কৰো f dash x equal to কি হ'ব তোমাৰ again e to the power x হ'ব f double dash x তোমাৰ কি হ'ব আকৌ তোমাৰ e to the power x of exponential function. Now তুমি f dash x equal to কি কৰা 0 কৰা f dash x equal to 0 হলে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব sorry e to the power x equal to 0 but here f dash x equal to 0 tomar domain ki hoy domain of function is your real number. Here domain of the function ex is your real numbers but there do not exist any x such that e to the power x equal to 0. Tomar e graph khon kenako asile your e graph is something like this. ঠিক আছে that means it do not touches 0. For no value of x ex equal to 0 we get e to the power 0 equal to 1 but we do not get 0. So since there there do not exist any x belongs to real number kyo holo because our domain is real number. There do not exist x belongs to real number such that e to the power x equal to 0. There do not exist and what x nathakibo real number such that tomorrow e to the power x equal to 0. This is never, e to the power x is never equal to 0. E to the power x is never equal to 0. So what you can say, so there do not exist any critical point. There do not exist any critical point. There do not exist any critical point. So if critical point do not exist, we cannot find maximum and minimum. Hence maxima or minima do not exist. Do not exist. Clear? So second function fx equal to, you have log x. So try it by yourself, otherwise I will help you. f dash x ki hobo tomar, f dash x hobo tomar 1 by x. Yet tomar f dash x equal to 0, 1 by x equal to 0 hoy na nohoy etu saba. Next tomar third function swan, hx equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. yato tomar domain ki hoy, here domain tomar hoy. So এটা এটা ফাংশন সো তোমার hx equal to কি x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 এটা তোমার polynomial function হয়. So তোমার domain কি হবে, domain of this polynomial function is, domain of a polynomial function is always real number. So your domain of this function h is real number. That means x belongs to, that is তোমার x belongs to the set of real numbers. এটা তুমি h dash x find out কৰিছো, তাহলে তোমার interval কি হৈছে, interval is your set of real numbers. h dash x, h dash derivative কৰিলে তোমাৰ হ'ব 3x square plus 2x plus 1, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 0, 0 we are not taking. Now take h dash x equal to 0. এতিয়া তোমাৰ কি হ'ব 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then এটা তুমি quadratic equation হয়, quadratic equation find that x5 value find out korisu, roots minus 2, b tomar 2 ase, so minus b plus minus root over b square means 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 3, sorry, 2 into 3 minus 2 plus minus 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, tomar 3 2 is 6 minus 2 plus minus root over 19 minus 8 divided by 6. Itia tomar etu ki number holge, root over minus ase, root over minus means we are talking about complex number. Root over minus ase, that means your complex number. Complex number means it do not belongs to your set of real numbers. Your, that means critical points do not belong to your real numbers. That is critical points do not belongs to your domain or your interval set of real numbers, means do not exist. ठीक है? So no maxima or minima, maxima or minima also do not exist. Why? Because your critical points do not exist, so no maxima minima.